Hi everyone, Dr. Schoenhaus, juggling all the materials I use for fat pad restoration. I'm so excited to share with you on May 15th at Present Ignite an update on evidence-based medicine and the benefits of fat pad restoration. And I'll give you a little sneak peek. Here you can see peak pressure that has caused pain, submet 3, 4, and 5. Pre-injection. 1 year post-injection, you can see there is a minimized peak pressure, submet 5, leading to an improvement of patient's pain, improved quality of life, and overall fat pad restoration success. So join me at Present Ignite on May 15th to learn more about my favorite fat pad restoration.